Hello, my name's Sarah and this is my business, The Healthy Skin Clinic. So on this video I want to talk to you about the inch loss treatments that we have here available at The Healthy Skin Clinic. We have 3 treatments altogether and they can be combined into a package or they can be used on their own as a standalone treatment. We have cryolipolysis, otherwise known as ice lipo or fat freezing. We have cavitation and we have laser lipo. So first of all I'll tell you a little bit about cryolipolysis or fat freezing. This is the machine here. And as you can see, it has 2 heads on it. Each of these heads are used to treat the specific area. And how it works is, it's really clever. The head draws the fat into the head, inside it, into the head, and it then controls it and freezes it down to a controlled temperature. Now what happens is the fat cells actually freeze, and they freeze at a slightly higher temperature than the other cells in the body. So it doesn't cause any damage to the surrounding tissue or to the muscle fibres or anything like that, because the fat cells actually freeze at a slightly higher temperature. So it is quite safe. So we freeze the fat cells. It takes about 40 minutes altogether to do the treatment on each area. And then what happens is, over the course of about 2 to about 12 weeks, the body doesn't know what to do with these damaged cells. So it gradually and naturally, as it would with any damaged cell, it flushes them out through your lymphatic system. So it's a slow process, but you will gradually start to see changes in the area. You can lose between 25 and 40% of the fat within the area. It has been through clinical trials and they have proved that it does actually work. So it's a fantastic treatment. It's known as a non-surgical alternative to liposuction, and it's great for those stubborn bits that you just can't get rid of. So that's fat freezing. The other treatments that we do that I quite often follow the fat freezing treatment with, or start them with, is the laser lipo and the cavitation. So if we do the full treatment, the full, what I call my ultimate fat buster treatment, we start with the laser lipo, we do the fat freeze, and then we finish with the cavitation here. So both of these treatments here work in a similar way. This one uses ultrasound waves and this one uses laser light. And how it works is it disrupts the cell membrane, and the cell membrane can't stand the vibration that the ultrasound wave puts through the body, so it sort of implodes on itself, and it then turns the fat into something that your body can actually metabolise and use up. So it's good to do a bit of exercise after you've had these treatments, because the fat that was there, it was stuck, it now goes into your metabolism ready to use up and to burn off. Because it does actually implode the cell membrane, what can actually happen is you can have an instant loss with this treatment here. So sometimes you will see about 2, 3, up to about 4 centimetre lost straight away if we combine these treatments. And this one here works in a similar way, but this one actually uses a controlled laser light, and it does the same sort of thing. It puts it there into your metabolism ready for you to use up. So this treatment altogether, if you went for the full combo, which most people do, the ultimate fat buster treatment, it would take around, if you had 1 area done, it would be about an hour and a half. If you had 3 areas done, which most people do, it would take about 2.5 hours. Most people would go for that 3 area treatment, because that is both of your legs, for example, and your tummy, or your love handles and your tummy, or your arms and your tummy. Each area, the leg or the arm, counts as 1 area, so that's how it's worked out. So yeah, so any more questions, just go to our website, www.thehealthyskinclinic.co.uk, or you can find me on Facebook at The Healthy Skin Clinic Workington, and just drop me a line on there. Alright, thank you, bye bye.